Hi, I'm Feline, Product Manager at Google Play. Did you know that the Play console has built-in tools for guiding the successful monetization of your games? We launched Strategic Guidance, a suite of monetization insights and recommendations to help more game developers make better decisions to grow their revenue. We wanted to make it easier for our partners to contextualize what key metrics are driving their top-line revenue and which lower-level metrics can be further optimized when broken down by country for maximum impact. Strategic Guidance helps you to understand how your different monetization metrics fit together to contribute to the overall revenue performance. Even better, we use peer-set comparison benchmarks to help you identify which metrics give you the largest opportunities to grow. Whether your existing player base is spending more per purchase compared to your peers and you want to sustain growth in a high-performing market, or whether your business is seeing a drop in first-time buyer conversion in an emerging market when compared to other games in the same game genre, you are able to seek out and explore the biggest opportunities for growth and compare to other games' performance on Play. Remember, every metric comes with trend data, country peer-set percentiles, and direct suggestions on how to increase performance and turn insights into actions. Many game developers don't have access to growth consultants, but now all monetizing game developers can use Strategic Guidance to analyze their business's performance like an expert. That's Strategic Guidance in under 2 minutes. Want to learn more? Be sure to check out the links in the video description and try out Strategic Guidance for yourself in the Google Play console today.